Hi, welcome everyone in this episode, and today we are going to do a continuation from where we left from. And on our previous tutorial or on our previous episode, we learned about how to create reports in Microsoft Access, and this was the data we used. We can see the report we created last time is here. So for today we are going now to learn how to create forms in Microsoft Access. We shall use the data we had, and forms allow us to display data in a more presentable form compared to the way our data appears in our sheets or in our tables. So for us to create simple form in Microsoft Access, we will navigate. So first we want a form for this our table. We want to create a form for this table, so we just navigate to create. We have here forms. So we have form design, blank form. So for in this episode you want to learn to create using the form wizard. So you shall click at the form wizard. From there we select, here we have the available fields in our table. So the fields you want them to appear on our form. So we have these buttons here. We have this one it moves a field one by one. We have this one, it moves the entire fields. We have this one is to remove a field you had selected. So you undo, you see it will move on the other side. And we have this one, it undoes, it removes all the fields you have selected. So for us, we will just use this to select all, but we don't want all the entire of this data to appear there. So on our form we want it to display employee number, employee ID, first name, second name, and salary. We don't need age, so we shall just remove age from it. Then you click here. So from there you click next. So here we have the layouts you want, whether the column or the tabular form, the datasheet form, or the justified form. Or this I will just use the columnar form. So we'll use that one. Then you click next. So from here just also click finish. We will modify it later and automatically open our form like this. So when you look at our form, already just data like the way our data has to look, but you want more to design it more. You want to change the layout, you need to customize it one way, and just want it to look at least somewhat cute. So you need, like on the labels, you want the labels to appear different color. Also the title, you can have something like to add something like a footer or a header if you have. So to do this, we'll just come here at view, then we choose design view. So from design view we can have a view of our form. So from there, like I want us to change the colors for these labels, employee number, and also to edit it so that it should not appear just exactly. Okay, I just undo that. So from there I want it to appear like just a different employee ID. Also first name, we don't want it to appear like this. The mouse I'm using is really disturbing by navigating. I'm not on a smooth surface, so sorry for any inconveniences in this tutorial. So just like that. So from there, we like also to change our layout. You can see like we have these text boxes. Yeah, they are not properly aligned to each other, like they don't look well. So you can resize it by just clicking at it. Then automatically, once that arrow turns like that, you can just drag it till to that position. Let's say we want it to be at that line, so that we want all of them to be of the same size, like that. We can reduce this one also, so that at least our form to look uniform and of a good layout. So we can just resize this. We can reduce this one too. So like that, you can see these text boxes are a bit too big, so you can just resize them also. You see from this bottom. Okay. For this interior just form, it may not be perfect the way I would like it to be, but it's just for training. You can modify your form to that layout you want by resizing those text boxes and the labels to appropriate size, or the size that really pleases you. So for me, I want to change the color for this one. To do so, you just when you select it like that, then you right click, and it will, from here you can either use fill color or the font color. So fill color, it will, that label, we will change the color for that label, and if we use the font color, it will change the color of the text, so the font of the text. So let me just use it for you to fill. For us to fill, I would like us to use this color, and we will repeat the same on all of them. So you can just choose appropriate colors for yourself. You are not limited to pick this color. We can see we have a variety of these colors, so this is just for training. And yeah, from there you can be able to customize your form and to make it look more presentable to that design you wish. What happened with this one? Okay, oh, I used the wrong one. Okay, at least we will see a small difference there. So from there you can see the form. You can also modify this our title. You can rename it. You can rename it employee payslip form. So employee payslip form, you can also resize this one so that it will be able to just look compared to the other one. I just choose it at that size. Then we can change also the background color, so we will fill the color. We will choose the most appropriate. Okay, we choose your favorite colors. For this, I'm just using it as a demonstration, so don't offend me, don't feel offended by the colors I'm choosing. Okay, so from here, once we can still select that, when you come here, format. So from here we can resize You can format the receipt like this. You see the size that is a bit too small, you can save it here. You can add it to 24 or to that size which will allow you, at least you think it looks good on your. Let me use that one, at least they are a bit big. You can also change the font style here. So the font style just depend with the one you want to use. Let me use this Arial black. So this Arial black, you can see this a bit. Okay, so from there we just reduce this to the size, that size that will suit us well. But you can just expand this field so that if you see like it's not fitting there, you can save this field. Let me just refer that font size. Okay, so for it to fit here well. So from there also we can add on our form, we can add a footer to do so. You can see we have here from footer, we have here from header, meaning you can add a header or a footer. So for this example, we're going to add date. So we're going to add our date at the footer. So for this, you just add, like, you can add different text, or either you can choose the header. So just depending on where you like it to appear. So from there you can just modify it. We can also at the footer, there are some properties you can change. We can see we have also that the field back color. You can have a back color of your type, of which you want it to appear in your footer. So from here we would like to customize it even more the way you wish to form like your design or something like that. We have many tools we use, but so we would like now to add our footer. But before you add our footer, let's just look how our layout looks now. So to do that, you just come at home, then let's look at form view. You can see our form will appear something like that. A bit too good compared to the last version, but not too perfect. The way actually I will prepare it, or the way you like to prepare it, so that it will please you. So you just go back to our design view. So from here we are going to add our footer, and from here our footer we will go to, we want to add date and time. So click there, so it shall select the date format, so include date, and for here you like to include also time, so it will appear like this. Let me just deactivate for include time, and here for date format, like the previous session I have chosen this. So this one is selected, you can choose this one. You can highlight like this one, or you choose this other one, or you choose this one. So depending on what we assume, let me pick this one. Okay, so from there we can see automatically it will go and appear at the header section. So to move it at the footer section, so it is here. You just right click it and then you cutter, and it will disappear from there. Then you come and click at our footer, then you right click and you click paste. So automatically it will appear here. So if it won't appear here, you will find it, probably you can move it to wherever you want it to appear. either it will appear at this side, so you just move it so that it will be at the center of your data or wherever you wish it to be. So for me, I want it to appear here. So from there we can check on our form view. Automatically you can see our footer is here. So we just go back to the design view. So that's how we can customize it. You can even customize it even more depending on the way you like your form to appear, or the way you just want it to look. Creating a form, you need to create something that will be more presentable, something that will really attract the eyes, even if you want to share it with another people, so that you want something that it will also please them, and it will also please you as an individual and earn you more positive remarks. So we shall go back. These are just design view. You can modify it more, format it in different ways you wish it to do. And if you find any challenge on here on the design view, how to format it, you want to format it a different way that I have not illustrated here, you can just leave your question at the comment section, and I will give a guide on that. So let's go back to our form view. So from here we can save our form. Automatically we have our form here named employee payslip. It will appear here, but it is always good you can rename it. And most of the time, like the renaming of this, it is always good to start with the FRM, the designation for forms, FRM, employee payslip. And when we have like this, so let's just open it. So from here we can modify our data even better. So for when using this form, you can easily change the data you have on your table. And we have in this form, we have this navigation buttons here. We have this one to go to the first record, we have this one to go to the last record, we have this to navigate to move to next. And once we move next, this one will be activated so that we can move to the previous record. And from there you can just navigate. You can see it will be giving the details of those information you have on your table. So I want to illustrate how it really works and how it is linked to your table. So I would like to change the name for Johnny to Janice, or whichever how you will like to pronounce it, Janice or Janice, whichever the way. There's no problem the way you pronounce it. So from there you can save it, and automatically we can look here on this. We can see the name was already changed to Janice and it was Johnny. I hope you considered that. So yeah, that's how you can also modify even more, so that you can let me change the name, or let me not use now the name. I would like to change the age of another employee. Let me change. Oh no, yeah, on our form we said we are eliminating the age, so let me just change the salary. So let me change the salary for Kwamboka Stacy, which is currently 6,000. We can just confirm that, so that those with doubts can be assured of that. You can see on our table we want to use Kwamboka Stacy here. He has a salary of $6,000. So we shall go back here on our form. So Kwamboka Stacy, we want to change it. Let's say he has of, let me just give him more. So we have a salary of 10,000. So it automatically, when you close that, it automatically, you can see Kwamboka Stacy, his salary has changed to $10,000. And that's the end on our tutorial on how to create forms, be able to modify them, change the layout, customize it to that layout you like it to appear. And you will find this grateful actually when you want to deal with a large number of data, so that moving from one field, like scrolling, it becomes hectic. Like sometimes you have the data that has covered just many fields, so using a form can be easy for you to be able to interact with it, be able to modify it. So that's how we do that. And for just another additional thing, I always like to add something new. Like, yes, we have these forms. Whenever you wish to share them out, probably you always try to print them. So the reason why we had to customize and try to resize everything so that making your form looks better, you have also to consider when you're going to print, will the details on your form be printed in a proper way, or will they be cut, so that some fields will be cut. So we always come and try to print. So we go to print preview. So print preview. So that's how our form will actually appear on the print preview, so that when you print, your form will appear like this. And actually, yes, that's how actually we wish it to be, so that you can see that if this were the extended to this other side, you will find that when you try to print preview, it will cut some of the some of the columns, and your data or your reports or your forms won't appear well. So you just close this, and that's the end. If you like the video, kindly like it, and for those who are not subscribed, subscribe for more updates and more tutorials on Office, either Access, currently we're dealing with Access, and many other Office solutions will always be coming in. You will always be up to date, and turn that notification bell, so whenever we post it, you'll get the notification.